Sorry, Rena. This is all I got. Is this okay? Wow, this is exactly what I asked for. Thank you, Mom.
Wow, Shri, so many gifts. Are you happy?
Are you kidding? I was expecting 10 more piles of gifts just like this.
Here, dear, take your lunch. Bye.
Thanks, Mom. I think I will walk to school today since I have extra time. Bye. Mom, please give me my lunch quickly. I'm gonna be so late to school, please.
Sorry, Shri, take this and go to the school now.
Hey Yumi, why don't eggs tell jokes? Because it will crack up.
Hey Shri, why are bees' hairs so sticky? Because they use honeycombs. This looks like a good place to take a selfie. Nice, I like it. This would be a good place to take a selfie. Wow, amazing! Yay! Hi everyone! I hope you guys like this skit. This skit is about your behavior versus my behavior. This was just made for fun and not everything is accurate. This took me a few hours to make, so please like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!